Hi everyone, here is how to submit a Google Doc on Canvas. We have Google Doc assignments embedded into our Canvas for this last week, and some people are not quite sure how to submit it. So here's one of the assignments, Fossil Inferences. This was the assignment for Monday, except on your Canvas it looks a little different. It's got a little video of me talking right here. And then down here is the assignment. Now this is a tiny little screen. It's kind of hard to see. So if I just click on this title, then it will pull it up into a bigger window so I can focus on it a little bit better. So now I'm going to scroll down and find out what I need to do. And what I'm doing is looking at the fossil and then answering the questions about the fossil. So let's say that I've answered these questions already. Let's just pretend that I actually answered them. I'm not going to take the time to do all the answers because then you'd be watching me for a long time. But anyways, let's say that I just finished it and you can see my answers right here. Now I'm going to come up here to this blue submit button, click submit, and then I might look at this and think, oh, wait a second, did it actually submit? Because it looks the same, right? I still see the assignment here, I still see the blue submit button, but the way I know that I submitted it is over here under the title it says submitted at April 4th, 2020, 9:55. So that tells me that it is definitely submitted. Now, if I wanted to change something, I could. I could go in here and I could like change my answer or add to it or whatever, and then I could submit it again. And that will work totally fine. I will just, and you can see that it has changed the time as well. I will see both of your submissions, but I'll see your most recent one first. And of course, I will give you the best grade. So like if you submitted it and it wasn't complete and then you submitted it again and it was complete, then I would give you full credit because obviously I'm going to give you the best grade. So I hope that was helpful, and please email me if you have any questions about how to do work, how to find it, or how to submit it.